Hi guys, and welcome back to Giga Drill Games. So today I'm going to show you on how to set up the Android Ultimate plugin with the ASR, which is the automatic speech recognition, because this past few days I have two users that they have encountered that they can't build the project. It's crashing, it got problem with the Gradle. So now I'm going to show on how to set it up. So first thing you need to do is in here I just created a new empty Unity project. You just need to go to Windows, then go to Asset Store, and then from here you need to download our plugin, which is Android Ultimate plugin. So now you need to wait for it. So go to search, look for Android Ultimate plugin. When you find it, just click it, and then you need to download, import, and then from here just click import. And then if you see this warning and it's asking for install and upgrade, just choose install and upgrade. By the way, our plugin uses two things, TextMeshPro and Oculus integration. If you are not using Oculus Quest, and then you don't use it. But for now, after you import our plugin, you need to check first. Remember these three things. You need to download Android Ultimate plugin, plugins, and TextMeshPro. So make sure everything is checked, so that there's no missing files. Then click import. So remember that three files or that three folder, because some users the plugins part, all files from that directory is missing. So that's why even they follow the setup, it won't work, of course. So usually see here on our project view, assets, plugins, then Android. Some people didn't download these things because if you check inside this Android directory, inside the libs, there's a lot of library dependencies here. So we need to download this. We need everything. So remember, you need to have Android Ultimate plugin, plugins, and TextMeshPro, so that you won't encounter any issues. Alright, after we check that every file is there, we need to close the asset store for now. Go to Windows, go to AUP, go to download dependency, and then hit download. And then you need to wait for it to download everything. See the progress here? If this progress reach 9/9 and you don't have any error counts and the status is download complete, and if that happened, you're good to go. So right now we're still waiting for it to be downloaded because some library is heavy. The file size is big, so we need to download them. Usually the latest library that is big is the library for the ASR for the Oculus Quest, because it contains the train model for different languages. So right now it's complete. You can see it here. 9/9 progress, error count 0, status download complete. So we're good to go. We can close this now, and then we also need to check some settings. Go to file, build settings, click player settings, and then from here we need to go to other settings. In the scripting backend, you need to change this to IL2 CBP. For the API compatibility level, you need to make it .NET 4.x, and then let's wait for a while because it's installing or downloading something or setting up. And then after we did that, we need to change something for the Android. So now we're going to go to build settings, choose Android, switch platform, because we need to set the minimum API for this. The minimum API for our plugin is 23, so we need to do that. So close this one. After that, go to the other settings in player settings. In here, minimum API under the Android. And the minimum API level, we need to change it to 23. And then mono, no, we need to change that to ILC PPP. And then .NET .x, we already changed that, but I'm not sure, it just reset. So beware, when you switch, it will reset. So minimum API level to 23 in here. And then scripting backend IL2 CPP, API compatibility level .NET x. And then I think after that we need to change this company name to anything awesome company, and then AUP demo setup, and then enter. You need to enter. Sometimes if you didn't enter, you will have problem. So make sure the package name is okay, and then we need to go to the assets, then our Android Ultimate plugin folder, choose the scenes, click demo, and then our demo will load. Right now you will notice that the version is not showing, but it's okay, it's a minor bug or issue. We are going to change that, but right now we're using the latest one from the asset store, which is 2.013. And then yeah, when you load the demo scene from our folder, Android Ultimate plugin since the demo, you need to go to the file again, go to the build settings, add the demo, and then we're going to save scene, save project. Alright, we need to test the build now. So I'm going to attach my Android mobile device right now, and then we can try to build it. So save again, and then go to build settings, click build and run. Look for a directory where you want to save your Android APK. Go inside AUP test demo. Change that. Alright, then save, and then we need to wait. So technically, after we did that settings, it should be okay now. It should build properly on the device. So if you encounter any Gradle issues and or any other conflicting libraries, maybe you have something in your project that is conflicting with our plugin library. So if that happen, you need to screenshot the logs, screenshot the issues, the error, everything on the log, so that we know which library is conflicting. Because yeah, making plugin for Android is really complicated, because there's a lot of library out there that might conflict with others. Even Facebook plugin and Google AdMob plugin, they always conflict to each other. So yeah, it's a bit complicated. And yeah, we're still building. Yeah, I need to tell you something. If your project is new and you build for the first time, usually it will take very long time before it can actually build it. So right now, yeah, we need to wait for this build player to build. But yeah, I'm expecting that this will run normally on my device and I won't encounter any issues, because we already did all the things. We check if the files of the plugin is complete, we download the dependencies, and then we set up the other settings with the things that we need. So hopefully everything will be okay and it will run successfully. But I think yeah, this will really take a while. So maybe I will just fast forward from this moment. Oh no, it's already linking the native library stripping Gradle project, so it's almost there. So we just need to wait. And then after this build, I'm going to try the app on the device. And then after the app works and all the features are working, we are going to continue with the Oculus Quest setup. So please watch the whole video. Please watch the whole video so that you will know on how to set up the ASR the automatic speech recognition for Oculus Quest. Our setup is very simple and you just need to power it. So our goal is just to make this plugin runs on Oculus Quest, and then you can try the demo on your Oculus Quest, and then from that point it's all depend on you. You can start making your games or app whatever you wanted. You just put our plugin and then just do whatever you want. And now it's copying the APK, and we just need for it to be built on the mobile Android device. So it's copying the APK now, attempting to run, and then alright, I'm waiting for it. So it build complete, so I'm expecting it to run. Oh, okay, we had some issues because right now the Quest is also connected with my machine. So instead of this build goes to my Android mobile device, it goes to the Oculus Quest. So beware of that. So for now, I'm going to unlink the Oculus Quest and I'm going to build again. Sorry for that. So I'm alright. Unlinking the Oculus Quest, and now we're going to build again. So yeah, that APK is already built on the Oculus Quest, but yeah, this one is for Android mobile device only. We're going to build the ASR for the Oculus Quest next. So this one we just need to try it first on the Android mobile device. So sorry, but we need to wait again, but I think this time will be much faster, much quicker, because we already built once. If you build once, at least once, the next build will be faster because Unity already cached a lot of things. So right now, as you can see, we are already on the build Gradle project and it's building now, and then maybe a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2, it will already copying or installing the APK on the Android mobile device. So let's wait. And yeah, thank you for waiting and for watching this video. If you really know on how to set up this plugin, you need to watch everything. So if you have some issues, you would know what you need to do. So right now it's building Gradle project, and yeah, sorry, we need to wait. Alright, come on, build the project, deploying, copying APK, and now maybe in few seconds it will be installed and run. And send after that, I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, it's running now on the device. Yeah, so the first time you open the app, you need to allow all the permission so that you won't have any issues. So I'm trying now the pictures, and yeah, it's working. I'm trying everything now. Yeah, it's working. Alright, so it's working. So the Android mobile device is done. So the next thing that we need to do is the Oculus Quest setup. So are we ready for the Oculus Quest setup? Let's do it. The first thing that we need to do is, of course, go to Windows, go to Asset Store, and look for Oculus integration. Go to search, type Oculus integration, enter, and then see that Oculus Quest integration. You need to download that. Go to the import, import, click that import, and wait for it. Usually importing and installing the Oculus Quest integration, this will take a lot of time. It's so long. So in here you need to check everything, you need to download and import everything, just import it, and then it will ask you to upgrade because there's a new update from Oculus integration. So we need to wait for this import package. Yeah, this import package importing will take a lot of time. Actually, I already tried last night and it took some really long time before you can actually code. So after this, there's a lot of upgrade, install, upgrade, restart, something like that. So right now, yeah, this importing iteration number 2, this will take a while. So sorry, you need to be patient and wait for a while. So let's see. And yeah, I think I'm just going to fast forward this part so that you won't wait for that long. Alright, so yeah, when you see this update Oculus utilities plugin and it's asking for you to update, so just click yes. And then when you see this restart Unity, you need to restart, of course. And then it will ask for upgrade again. Click upgrade. And then you will see the restart again. Just hit restart. And then it will restart the whole Unity project. And then, yeah, you need to wait again. So there's a lot of upgrading, restarting, upgrading, restarting. Yeah, that whole process, it is very long. So right now, after we import and install everything for Oculus integration, we can now close this asset store tab, and now click file, go to build settings, pair settings, and then from these project settings we can go to XR plugin management, and we can click the install XR plugin management. We need to wait for that again. Yeah, it will import a lot of things again, but this will be faster than the Oculus Quest integration. Maybe this will take something like 3 minutes or 5 minutes or faster. So right now, after we install that, we can take the Oculus Quest. As you can see here, we're going to take this Oculus Quest, and then of course we're going to wait again. Yeah, it's a lot of ping pong, doing this, adding that, importing this, but I hope this one will take much faster. So we need to wait for it. So yeah, we need to wait for this one again. Then after this, we need to go to the package manager, and we need to remove the XR plugin in there. So we need to wait for that. Alright, so after that long waiting, so we need to go to Windows again, go to Package Manager, and take this one into in project, and then you'll notice that you have Oculus XR plugin and you have XR plugin management here. The problem is if you have these two plugin will conflict. So what we did is choose this one and hit remove, and then it will remove that, and then in the end you will only have Oculus XR plugin. So that's what I'm asking right now. Why do we have to do that? It's so crazy, right? We install it and then we remove it. But this way, this setup, this process works with our plugin. So if you know something about this, if you're watching this, if you know, please comment below. We need that tip because yeah, it's so weird. But yes, I'm just sharing the process that I know. I'm not a Oculus developer. I'm not an Oculus Pro developer. I haven't done any Oculus app before. I just make our plugin run on Oculus Quest. That's all. So after that, you will have this only. Remember this thing? You should have all of this. And then we can close this, and then you will have some meta error, something like this. But that's fine. The plugin and this code will going to work. So we're going to check the player. We're going to check the other settings. Alright, the Vulkan is removed automatically because if you have Vulkan graphics API here, it will just crash or it will not build. So minimum API level 23, scripting backend, IL2 CPP, API compatibility level, .NET 4.x, everything is okay now. So I'm going to click File, Save, Project. Then I'm going to go to our scenes here, automatic speech recognition, which is, you can find it here. So right now, after you click that, you need to go to Assets, Oculus, VR, Prepubs, look for OBR camera rig, and drop it there, and here you go. After that, going to go to File, go to Build Settings, add this current scene, untick the demo, and then you're all set up. Hit X, hit File again, save the scene, save the project, and there you go. We can finally build. Attach your Oculus Quest. So now I'm attaching it. So the Quest is attached. I'm going to build settings, build and run. I'm going to rename this to Oculus so that we know that this is the Oculus APK, then save. So this will build the APK on the Oculus Quest, and then after that we can try it. So let's wait. So this is the first time that we build it on Oculus Quest, so probably this will also take some time, so we need to wait. But yeah, after you saw all of that settings and setup, actually that's all of it. You can now drop this video, you can now stop watching this video. That's all that you need. But if you want to watch until the end, you're welcome to. So please watch and wait for this compiling shader variant and other importing and installing and copying things. But that's all the setup that you need. If you know all of that, you are good to go. You can run the plugin on Oculus Quest without any issues or error. The time now is today is July 4. Let's check. July 4? No, oh yeah, it's July 4, Saturday 2020, and we are using the latest Unity version, which is 2019.4.2 F1, the LTS version. If I'm not wrong, but I know this is the LTS version. So yeah, we need to wait for the compiling, and it will install the app on the Oculus Quest. After this, I'm going to record the demo on the Oculus Quest. I'm going to use the side quest to record our app, our automatic speech recognition inside the Oculus Quest, and I'm going to upload it as a separate post on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So yeah, please wait for it, and you can also check it if you want. But now maybe this will also take some time again. Maybe I'll also going to make this fast forward. Yes, finally it's done building. I'm going to check it on a device right now. So yeah, I'm going to upload the demo as a separate post on our YouTube channel. So guys, yeah, thank you again for waiting. So as you can see right now, it builds properly without any issues. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this solves the issue, or this video will be informative for the users of our plugin, and at least you know now the whole process, the whole settings that you need to make our plugin works and run on Oculus Quest and also for Android mobile device. So yeah, if you have more question, you can comment below. You can always email us. So I hope this video is helpful, and again, thank you for watching, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can subscribe. And again, yeah, see you on our next video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye guys.